Welcome to day 22 of our 101 Days of Data Science journey. Today we're diving into the foundation of all things data science, Python basics. By mastering these core elements, you'll unlock a world of possibilities in your data science projects. Python is the backbone of data science. It's a flexible and powerful language, and today we'll cover the building blocks: variables, data types, loops, and functions. Understanding these concepts are crucial for any aspiring data scientist. Variables in Python are like containers that store values. You can think of them as labeled boxes where you can put different data types such as numbers or text. In this example, we're creating variables to store an integer, age, a string, name, and a float, height. When we print them, Python retrieves their values for us. Python supports multiple data types, and it's important to know which type of data you're working with. Common data types include integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Recognizing these types helps in performing accurate operations. In this example, we check the type of data stored in each variable. Python makes it easy to see what type of data you're working with using the type function. Loops allow us to repeat a block of code multiple times. In Python, we commonly use for loops and while loops to automate repetitive tasks. In the example, this for loop goes through each number in the list numbers and prints it. It's a great way to process data efficiently. Functions are reusable blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. Once you define a function, you can call it whenever you need it. This helps in organizing your code and reducing redundancy. In this example, the greet function takes a name as input and returns a greeting message. Functions help you organize your code and avoid repetition. Now that you've grasped the basics of Python, you're ready to take on more complex tasks. Tomorrow we'll explore Pandas, the powerful library for working with data. Get ready to learn how to manipulate and analyze data with ease.